Hi, Tiffany Webb here with the Department of Digital Learning. Do you ever have those kiddos that are struggling to type on that keyboard? Well, here's a way you can help them. What you want to do is you want them to go to the time down in the bottom right-hand corner of their Chromebook. This will pop up a black box. Up in the top right-hand corner, it says Accessibility. If you'll click there, this will open all of the accessibility features that are available on the Chromebook. The one we're going to focus on today is called Dictation. You click on Dictation, you can see that it has now brought down a little microphone on the shelf. So I'm going to click off to close that box. We're going to go to a couple of different places to show you how this works. The first place we're going to go is Cami. Cami is a place that many of our teachers are using for some of our assignments. So here's some questions that I need to answer. But all I'm going to do is click where I want to start typing, and I'm going to enable my microphone. There are 7 days in a week, period. So you could hear that the microphone enables, it makes a little sound when it turns on, and then it makes a little sound when it turns off. Now, the only thing that it isn't great about is it sometimes does not capitalize the first letter in the sentence. So we can very quickly go in and change that to a capital letter if we need to. Sometimes it does go ahead and capitalize the letter. If you have students that are not pronouncing words correctly, then it may not understand what they're saying. Let's go somewhere else to see where else it can work. Let's look at Google Slides. So maybe I want to be able to type the title of my presentation. So I click where I want to type. I enable the microphone. My writing journal. And you can see it typed exactly what I said. Let's go to Google. So Google has a built-in microphone. If you look at the search box, there is a microphone at the end. We can click on the microphone. Raz Kids. So I did a simple search for Raz Kids, which is one of our online programs we use for reading. And you can see it brought up the search right away. All right, now let's go to Google Docs. Google Docs has its own built-in tool for dictation. Let me show you where it's found. When you go to Tools, it is called Voice Typing. When you click on it, it will bring up its own microphone. It is a little bit more advanced than the simple dictation that is in the accessibility features. Let me show you how it's different. My favorite color is red, period. Select red. Bold. Font color red. Underline. You can give it all different kinds of commands to change the font, make it a different color, make it bold, italicized, to capitalize something. You can give it all in the commands when you are talking. But that's a very cool feature that kids can use just to make it a little bit easier and faster to type. Hope you enjoyed this tool.